In today's video, I'll show you how to install a 100% save file in Uncharted Legacy of Thieves collection. Check my video description for this save file download link. Right click and select WinRAR and select Open with WinRAR. And press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Go back to username folder and open saved games. And scroll down Uncharted Legacy of Thieves collections. Users uh, select this date modified and using the latest date. Open the folder. Open Uncharted 4. Open saves. And this is a game progress. Before dropping this 100% save, right click and select new and select folder. Drag and drop a game progress in this folder. And now open the 100% save. Drag and drop all these files inside this location. Launch the game. Once you are in game, select the Uncharted 4 and select Story. Chapter select. Choose the chapter you like to play. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.